Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a video of the most delicious food in the whole entire world.
So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing chicken and rice casserole dish. It is so good. It is the perfect dinner to make on those nights when you want something so delicious but you don't want to spend all that time in the kitchen prepping and doing all that stuff. This is a perfect one-pan dinner. So guys, it is basically chicken and rice cooked in coconut milk and mushrooms and spices and all that spicy deliciousness. It is amazing. So guys, if you want to learn how to make my chicken and rice casserole dinner, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now and support my sister, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. So I'm gonna start off by adding some olive oil to the bottom of my baking dish. So this is gonna keep things from sticking to the bottom of your pan, okay? Because nobody likes that. So I'm adding my basmati rice. I chose to use basmati rice because it is naturally fragrant and really aromatic. I'm using 2 cups today. About half a cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I have my jalapenos for some heat because I love jalapenos, some red bell peppers for color, and I'm gonna add my mushrooms because guys, if you watch my videos, you know I literally put mushrooms in everything. I love mushrooms, okay? So I'm gonna spread this out really good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and season with some black pepper. Freshly cracked black pepper is always good in every recipe. I'm gonna add some salt. Be generous with the salt, guys, because you know you've got your rice and rice loves salt, okay? So but don't overdo it. So now I'm adding some thyme because thyme and coconut milk goes perfectly, some paprika for some extra heat and color, and some bouillon. Any bouillon or regular chicken seasoning of your choice would do. So now I'm adding my coconut milk. I have about 2 cups of beautiful organic coconut milk going in there, and about a cup of chicken stock. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything. Guys, about the coconut milk, please try to use organic coconut milk or just make yours yourself. Read the label, guys. Try to buy coconut milk without the guar gum. That guar gum thing is just so horrible. So now that everything is mixed up, I'm gonna add some butter to the top of my rice, and then I'm gonna place my already seasoned chicken thighs. Okay, I seasoned this the day before and left it in the fridge overnight to marinate because there is nothing as horrible as a bland chicken. Okay, so I have my chicken already seasoned. I'm gonna just add some extra salt to the chicken, then I'm gonna cover this and place it in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is that simple, okay? It's a one-pan dinner. So everything goes into one dish, goes into the oven, then you can go read a book or do whatever you want to do. In 1 hour, 30 minutes, you're gonna have some piping hot deliciousness ready to be eaten. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 1 hour and 30 minutes in the oven. Guys, I'm telling you, it smells so good. The coconut and the thyme, oh my God. And the mushrooms, ooh, I cannot wait to eat this one, guys. It is so good. And look at how the rice absorbed everything, and it's not mushy, it's not too cooked. It's just the perfect texture. You need to try this one, guys. It tastes so good. So now I'm taking pictures for my gram. I gotta take pictures for the gram. Guys, go ahead and go follow me on Instagram at seafadeathome and check out my website, seafade.com, for extra recipes. If you want to see more recipes and if you want to print recipes, you can find it on seafade.com. It's right there for you guys, okay? So thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know what you think, and share this video with your friends and your family. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now.
Make sure you subscribe or else. I don't know what to do though, but if you don't subscribe, something's gonna happen. Better listen. Be careful.
That's my baby girl. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.
Adios, amigas.